Yo, what is up, guys? Today is motovlog day. Now listen, you've probably noticed something a little bit different, okay? The bike underneath me may look a little bit different to some of you and very common to other people. Now, I decided to go today and take out the original bike. I have not filmed the video on my OG bike in a very long time. The Miata and the Grom have been getting all the love, but if you are new to the channel, this is what started it all, okay? This is my big bike, and I do miss her greatly, and I have got an enormous smile on my face to take her out. So, this is my 1998 Honda VTR 1000. Now, I gotta be careful because I have not ridden her in a very long time. The last time I actually rode this bike, I filmed, and I was on the Grom and decided to take my big bike out because if you can tell, it is beautiful as fuck, okay? It is nice as shit out right now. It is 61 degrees. Hello? Of course I'm gonna take out and film on a day where it's 61 degrees, but I decided why not throw it back, give the Grom a break, give the Miata a break, even though the Miata's only been in one video. I know more videos on the Miata are coming up, so gotta give them a break and take out the OG. Oh my god, I have missed this bike so much. So yes, you motherfuckers that say I only like to go slow, okay, that's a lie. I do own a big bike, okay? Listen, your boy indeed does like to go fast, okay? Don't hit me, please. Thank you. I do like to go fast. You wanna see? Oh my goodness, I missed that. Now, to be honest with you boys, I have no idea where I'm going, okay? All I said is I want to take out the big bike and I want to film it. So here we are. Oh my god, look at that McDonald's. Oh my goodness, hello? Is it lunchtime? 12:17, oh my. Oh god, that does. I would hate to want to be a McDonald's employee on lunch break. Damn. I need to start taking out my big bike more. Oh, an El Camino, okay. And what's nice about this is I can actually get on the highway. So if I just want to chill and just go, oh, you know what, I feel like taking the highway, I can actually do it. It's fun to see that this is where it all started, man. Damn, I haven't rev bombed her like that in a long time. I hope she's alright. She's an old machine. She's old. Man, I'll be honest, I say it every time I come back to this bike. It's still, honestly, probably my favorite bike. I love my Grom, but there's just something about sport bikes. So all you motherfuckers hating on me for the mini bike and the miniature car, yes, I do have something that's fast, okay? I feel like this bike makes my ADHD even worse because I want to go fast, right? But in the Grom and the Miata, it's like I can go as fast as I want to, but I ain't going anywhere. This is like, oh, I want to go fast, right? Let's go fast, huh? Right? And it's just like, wah, right? And we're gone. It's crazy. Being back on the big bike brings me so much joy, man. Oh, I wonder what's under that. What do we think? Probably a guy that thinks his Corvette is one of one. Sorry, that's toxic. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm starting to... Okay, listen. Being on the Miata and the Grom so long, you know, this is a very old bike, right? She needs some TLC. And I have forgotten that I think she sprung up a little exhaust leak, and it happens to be right underneath my Johnson sack and my cheeks. Because I forgot that when I'm not moving and I'm sitting still, I am getting hot gases puffed up into my ass cheeks, and I forgot about that. Oh, that is a bummer. Okay, right. See, we're just ticking off the boxes. We're remembering what we need to do. I need to get a new set of tires. I need to get a new chain. I need to get the fork seals, and I need to check that exhaust leak. If it's an exhaust leak. Maybe this bike is just hot. That little Grom and his lawnmower motor, right? It might not get hot enough to burn me, but this, it's right here. Woo! She's spicy. Oh, check these Johns out. Look at this. Super duper bright red bike. Super duper bright red shoes. Oh, you see it? You see the fit or what? Actually, my fit's ugly. I got some fucking Walmart ass jeans on, an off-white hoodie, and some Nike SB skate shoes. Listen, I'm all over the place. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Oh, he's wearing a fanny pack. Oh, wow. I thought fanny packs were like a joke. That's sick. I want a fanny pack. Oh, being able to merge with traffic in an instant, you just can't beat it. You just can't. Man, that's crazy. Second gear, 50 miles an hour. The Grom could literally never. Here we go. Jesus Christ. That is crazy. It feels kind of weird being on a highway on a motorcycle. I haven't done this in a long ass time. Oh, you son of a bitch. I just bit my cheek, dude. God dang it. Now you already know that's gonna bother me the rest of the day, and while I'm eating, it's gonna be absolute cancer dog shit. Oh, look at the shadow. I'll be honest, I know I'm not a very cool guy. I'm lame, I'm a nerd, I have ADHD. I'm not very cool, but this bike does make you feel pretty cool. it makes you feel pretty cool. In the shadow with the camera, I actually think it looks pretty sick. Oopsie, I'm in a turn only lane. What a pretty ass view, man. Oh yeah, my fucking blinker just went out too. God dang it. Oh, a Ducati, hello. He's an old guy. Let's get behind him. Ducati guy, listen. On the right-hand side of your bike, there's this thing that you twist, okay? Just give her a little twist, and I promise you'll have the biggest smile you've ever had in your life. Oh, that's a sick-ass elk statue. What do you think something like that would cost? 12 grand for an elk statue? Okay, Ducati. I finally get out my big bike, and I'm going 28 miles an hour in a 30 mile per hour zone with my absolute fucking Johnson sack being toasted and cooked to a crisp with this exhaust leak on my left-hand side. This whole video, I haven't taken it out of like third gear. Or I mean, I haven't gone past third gear, I mean. Okay, buddy, this Ducati let a minivan catch up to us. He probably spent over $20,000 for that Ducati. And he is using not even, oh, I just killed an enormous bug on my visor. That jump scared the shit out of me. He is probably using 1/10 of that. Oh, I missed those pops. Oh, I can lay down on this bike. I forgot. Oh, bike makes my back hurt. Oh my gosh. Santa. I see Santa. Oh my God, I see Rudolph. Y'all see Rudolph? Whoa, there was almost an accident right here. I want to see Santa. Show me Santa. Oh my God, there he is, there he is, there he is, there he is, there he is. Look, there's Santa. Hi, Santa. Look at Santa. I strive to be that happy. I used to ride this bike for like hours at a time. That is crazy. I've been out like maybe 35, 40 minutes and my back is toast. I definitely missed that. I missed that. What a sick ass view. That's got to be one of the coolest roads in Golden, is that downhill road, just looking at that mesa, man. That is fun. I gotta look into this exhaust leak. My leg is toasted right now. Oh my God, I will never get sick of that. We're gonna do one last little pull. Let's go down to 20 miles an hour. Try to get to like 80 in this little stretch. All right, there's 20, go. $20 to $80 in second gear. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I need to go home. All right, boys. I hope you enjoyed this little OG throwback, bringing out the big bike. I had so much fun. I hope you guys had fun watching me. So you guys already know the drill. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. And I will see you in the next one.